Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Marginal propensity to consume questions look scary, but this one is quick if you lock onto the tax multiplier and work backward carefully. Since the marginal propensity to consume is 0.75, start by finding the tax multiplier formula, which is MPC divided by 1 minus MPC with a negative sign attached. Plug in 0.75 and you get negative 0.75 over 0.25, which equals negative 3. So every $1 billion tax cut raises real output by $3 billion. Now work backward from the target change. 120 divided by 3 equals 40, so the minimum income tax cut needed is $40 billion. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush mistakes. Trust given values and check steps so the multiplier leads you cleanly.